What I love about Britain is the quirkiness that everybody has, the eccentricity. And actually coming to the UK has changed me. And also working with a brand like Paul Smith also changed me as well. I never thought about making socks, it just kind of landed on me. And I learned very quickly about it, and it became quite fascinating for me. Socks can be very complicated, especially with Paul Smith. It's about the design itself. Like for example, the multi-stripe has 13 colors. If you look at the sock itself, all the colors are very close together. We have an inspection process at every stage of the production. From knitting to washing, softening, boarding, pair them, stamp, out of the door. You're part of a company that you want to make sure that whatever you produce for them is of the utmost quality.